Yes, you can dispute inquiries if you never got a loan from a company, or even if you got a loan from a company, you can dispute that too. Now, this is the thing. They say you should not do that, right? They say you should not do it, but you can send a dispute letter in to the credit bureaus and ask them to remove that inquiry, or you can go another method and get it removed by just calling them and say, hey, this is an inquiry on my credit report, and then have it asking them to remove it. A lot of times people say you should call the fraud department, but I'm not telling you guys you should do it. But I do have a free dispute letter that you guys can get. It's on my website, Rickita.com. Look all the way at the bottom. It says 60 points in 60 days. All the way at the bottom of there. Once you click on there, I give you a free dispute letter for your inquiries, collections, and also one that can go to the credit bureaus for whatever account, bankruptcy, charge off, whatever is on your credit reports. So definitely check that out. Send that into the credit bureau to remove that inquiry from your credit reports. Now, I know that, they say you shouldn't ask them, or you shouldn't call the fraud department, but it's working for a lot of people. So it's up to you if you want to do it. But remember, I told you go to my website, Rickita.com. Just go all the way down to the bottom, and then you'll see the 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. Once you guys fill this out, you're going to automatically be sent a letter for your collections, charge-offs, and your inquiries. So like whatever accounts on your credit reports in general, you're going to get a letter that's going to go to the credit bureaus. So just fill this out, and then you'll get that free dispute letter. So hopefully this is going to be helpful to remove that inquiry. Now, something I did not say, and I know I need to say, is this. If you guys, because this is if you did not receive the loan, but if you guys received the loan, the key is do not dispute an inquiry if that account is already been added to your credit reports, because it's a great chance that that account is going to be removed. And I don't want you to have those type of problems. So try to remove that inquiry before that account is added to your credit reports. That is going to be the key. Okay. So before that inquiry, before that account is actually reported, dispute it then. So that's my little key to you guys. Hopefully that is helpful.